Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss regarding Google AdSense privacy policy. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And if you are trying to create a blog and you want to approve for the AdSense, here there is a playlist for you, dedicated playlist. You can watch the full videos. There are 21 videos in it. You can watch full videos and you will get 100% Google AdSense approved. And as you can see here, we added the proof also at the last of the video. So as you can see here, the Google AdSense approved, and we added the proof also. You can watch our videos for the AdSense and you can approve our Google AdSense. So one of our subscriber got the problem regarding the Google policy. So today I will be explaining you the Google policy. So first thing is, you should not copy any content from the other bloggers. First thing, you should not copy and paste do the copy and paste work. And the second one is, you should not add the hacking tools or hacking words, hacking websites to your blogger or an website. The Google will be disapprove your Google AdSense for that. And you should not add sexual content to your blog, so it will be disapproved by the Google AdSense. And also, if you have add any virus scripts or anything to your blog, and if you share for your friends or everything, it will be leads to disapprove or terminate your Google AdSense. And you should not click on your own AdSense account or else like on your own ads. And there are some privacy policy from the Google AdSense. So if you want to know that, you can search it in Google AdSense privacy policy. So first page here, you will be getting this page. Let's see what are the privacy policies. Invalid clicks and impression means you should not see your own ads or your own videos from your blog or website. So content privacy, it's nothing but you should not copy any articles or anything. Copyrighted content should not be re-uploaded to your blogger, so it leads to the termination for your Google AdSense. It means that if any person's re-upload your content, it leads to the Google termination. So keep in mind that don't do upload all the content. You should use your creativity, and you can modify it and you can add it, but you can't directly copy it and you can add it. So next is traffic source. So you should have genuine traffic from the Google. So in the previous videos I explained how you can add Google Play Console to Google Search Console your blogger. So watch that video so that you will be getting the genuine traffic from the Google when the user search from the Google. So you can watch our playlist. You can add and ad behavior and ad placements is nothing but you should not add ads before the button, above the button or below the buttons. When you click here, you should not keep below the ad, so it leads to the disapprove your ads in Google AdSense. And also, you should not click on your own ads, and the ad should not be more than 50% to your article. The article should be more and ad should be less than 50%. It is the main reason where your account will be terminated. If you add more ads, your account will be terminated. And the next is site behavior. The site behavior means you should not add the hacking contents or sexual tools or sexual content to your blog or website. And you should not add copyrighted content. And you can read all the content from the here. You can search it Google. This is an official website from the Google AdSense. So support team, so technical requirements like Google Webmaster, WebView, like you can add it. I showed it in the previous videos. You can identify the users and privacy policy. This is an children's online. This is an COPPA. It is mainly applicable for the children's, and it should mandatory to mention the video it is for under 13 age, or else above 13 age. If you are a YouTuber, I think hope that you will be well knowing about this policy. So you should mention this content is for the children or else for the adults. So and that's all for this video. And if you have any queries regarding the AdSense and the blogger, you can ask in the comment down below. And please do share this video with your friends and family members, and please do click on like button and comment down your opinion. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.